Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your Canva design to PC. Downloading your Canva design to your computer allows you to easily share, print or use your creation offline whenever you need it. So let's start the video. First, let's open Canva and go to the design you want to save. So this is our design. Now click on the share button at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up with several options. Scroll down and click on the download button. Here you will see a drop-down menu where you can choose the file type. Select the one that best suits your needs. We are going to select PNG. These two options helps you adjust transparency and size. Now select the pages you would like to save. You can select all the pages or the current design only. We are going to select the current one. Click on done. Once you are happy with the settings, click on the download button at the bottom. Canva will start preparing your design for download. Once it's ready, the file will automatically download to your computer. So click to open it. So that's it, you have successfully saved or downloaded your Canva design to your PC. Thanks for watching.